Kabar baik buat Timnas Indonesia, Mesin gol Irak absen di sisa putaran 2 kualifikasi Piala Dunia. AFC mengumumkan daftar pemain yang mendapatkan sanksi dari turnamen Piala Asia 2023 pada tanggal 30 Maret tahun 2024 lalu. Pada daftar pemain yang dihukum, terdapat nama pemain Irak, Ayman Hussein. Ayman Hussein mendapatkan kartu merah dari pertandingan babak 16 besar Piala Asia 2023 ketika melawan Yordania. Ayman Hussein yang telah mendapatkan kartu kuning di menit 48 mendapatkan kartu kuning kedua dari wasit pada menit 77. Kartu kuning itu diberikan wasit karena Ayman Hussein dianggap telah melakukan pemborosan waktu karena selebrasi berlebihan. Kartu merah tersebut pun ternyata memberikan sanksi tambahan. Polemik selebrasi itu pun sempat ramai di media sosial karena Yordania melakukan selebrasi serupa tanpa adanya hukuman dari wasit. Ayman Hussein mendapatkan sanksi denda $2.000 AS atau setara dengan 31 juta rupiah. Selain itu, Ayman Hussein mendapatkan larangan pertandingan di 2 laga. Jika 2 laga larangan tersebut berlaku pada FIFA Matchday edisi Juni tahun 2024, maka ini menjadi kabar baik bagi Timnas Indonesia. Timnas Indonesia akan menghadapi Irak di putaran 2 kualifikasi Piala Dunia 2026 zona Asia. Irak pun akan menghadapi Vietnam di laga terakhir. Ayman Hussein menjadi mesin gol bagi Vietnam dengan mencetak 6 gol di Piala Asia 2023. Hanya selisih 2 gol dari top skorer pemain Qatar, Akram Afif yang menjadi juara Piala Asia 2023.
After Trong had crossed Zaid 1-0. Van Kang spearheads the attack, and into the action in the 17th minute. Vietnam firing the ball into the center, and a deflection takes it past the goalkeeper, and it's 1-0 to Vietnam. It's returning from an offside position, and then Vietnam do get their breakthrough in the 42nd minute. Count Van Kang takes the free kick, and it's the big centre-back, Boy Haini, and referee Mohammed Nazmi bin Nazmi finished with the outside of the boot. And into stoppage time in the first half. Count Van Kang's high knee meant referee Mohammed Nazmi bin Nazruddin was obliged to show a second yellow card, and Vietnam reduced to 10 men for the remainder of the game. An incident-packed first half comes to a close, and the drama would continue straight from the off. Ball sent to the near post, and Iraq draw level. Rebin Solaka from an Ali Jassim corner, and this time it's Iraq's centre-back who meets the pinpoint corner to level the score. And in the 55th minute, take 2, ball sent towards Zahid Tassin. Nguyen Philip with a smart save down at the near post. 73rd minute, substitute Ali Jassim leaving the defender in his wake. Chance to pick out Hussein, and he makes it 2-1. Iraq hit the front thanks to some brilliant wing play from Ali Jassim, and Ayman, who hits his 4th of the tournament, is a good shout for the golden boot. One-way traffic now. Iraq good interplay on the edge of the box, and it's Boy Hang Viet Ans come sliding in, and he's caught Yusuf Amin, and the referee will have a look at this, and it will be a penalty to Iraq. The pressure has been building, and now it's Ayman's chance to extend the lead from 11 metres. And he sees his penalty crash off the woodwork and away. Vietnam are rocking, but the score stays 2-1. And into stoppage time, Vietnam with a rare chance to attack Iraq's goal. Tan Binh nods it down to Nguyen Kang Hai, and he scores unbelievably against the run of play, and with practically their first effort on target since the goal. Vietnam level the score. Iraq's defence just switch off for a moment, and that's all Vietnam needed to bring the score level in stoppage time. Seconds remaining, Iraq throwing the kitchen sink at Vietnam, and there's some tired defending as Vo Minh Trong catches Yusuf Amin, and it's another penalty. Up steps Hussein, and he slots it away comfortably with a confident penalty in the opposite corner.